Alright, hi, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techie Life here. And today I want to go over on some things on how to test these LED backstrip lights. These are from a Samsung TV, it's a 70-inch. I believe it's a F-Series 2013 5300 or something like that. I'll probably put the model number in the bottom. But anyways, that's not the point of this. The point of this is I'm going to show you how to test these, some certain ways of testing these LED strips.
Welcome to Techie Life.
So I did a video earlier on how to test them with the batteries. So you can use 9-volt batteries and basically just check them from there. I wanted to test it with a little bit more power. So basically, let's go ahead and check this out. So right now I got my LED tester. A bunch of people have been asking, what is this or whatnot. This is a LED backlight tester. Let's see if I can show you this. There it is, LED TV backlight tester. I got this off of eBay, but there's also some on Amazon as well too. I might post a link on there and basically give you a good direction of where to get it. So I'm gonna check here a couple things first before I start showing you a different method here. So first things first, so these Samsung actually have a positive and a negative sign. They don't always, there's not always what it seems to be when you put it on positive. So I can put right here positive and negative and nothing will happen. And the reason is because there's actually a different circuit here. There's an open circuit. So what I'll do is I'll put it on positive and positive, and we should be able to get the LEDs that way. If it doesn't work one way, try the other way. But positive on positive should work. There it is. So there I'm holding on the positive, and we have all, 6 lit up. We're looking at 16 total volts according to the meter over there, right? Let's go ahead and try this other one. So we know the small one's 16. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the same amount. So this is actually the end of the circuit. So technically speaking, we should be able to put this in positive and negative here. Yep, there it is. So we're at 16 volts first, and right now we're at close to 25 volts. 25, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 25 divided by 9, what do we got? I'm sorry, I'm not that good with math, so. So 25 divided by 9, we're looking at 2.7 volts each of those LEDs, which is almost fairly close to the 3 volts that I always go by. And then we said, what did we say on this one? 6 volts? No, I don't think it was. Oh, no, it was like 18 volts. Let me test it out again. Positive here. Positive here. We're at 16.5. Okay, 16.5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs, 2.75. So these LEDs individually range from 2.6 or 2.7, 2.6, something like that. So with that being said, I want to see if I want to check out all the LEDs that I have here. This is where this little charger comes in. So if you don't have this tester that I have here, we can almost basically say that these LEDs are usually 3 volts. So this would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 4, 36, 9, 12, 15, and then 18 volts total. We have a power supply here. Can't really see. I'll read it out to you. It's basically AC adapter, input 100 to 240 volts at 0.08 amps. The output is what we're looking at. Output is 12 volts at 2.5 amps. So this is outputting 12 volts DC at 2.5 amps. Let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. I basically peeled the leads here. I'm pretty sure, you know, somewhere in your house you have some sort of an adapter. It can be a phone charger, it can be whatever. Just read the specifications on here and know what you're working with. So we're gonna plug it in here. So now I have live power coming in here, and I'm gonna verify that with my meter here, or with my multimeter. So we got rain coming. We have 12.2 volts, which is perfect. And I just tested it out. This one is my positive here, and the other one's my negative. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my positive, stretch it out here. My positive with my positive, and if it's a good power, it should light it up. If it's, you know, big enough. If it doesn't, then you might need a bigger power supply. I need some more room here. So remember that the way the electricity flows on this side is from this way. So put it on here. No, it's this side. In this case, this is not enough power to even power this up. It seems like. Oh, I'm putting on the wrong one. It's kind of a pain to do this. Let me make sure which is a positive again. Just a bit more prepared. Okay, so this is backwards. So this is the positive. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it up like this so I can make sure I'm getting a good firm grip on the contacts. Unfortunately, it's not lighting up because it's probably not enough voltage to go through. But let's do this. So we know that there's 12 volts here. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this guy here. And what I'll do is I'll put it on. There's certain tabs here. Here we go. See, certain tabs here are actually test points, so we know that that's good there. I can put on this next one, and I think that's where we're gonna lose it. So yeah, that's where we're gonna lose it. So remember, we got 12 volts. I said 3 volts per pair, so 3, 6, 9, 12. There it is right there. We can also skip ahead. So start off on this one right here and put it towards the end. See if it'll work. There it is. So just know that you don't want to kind of overpower, because you got 12 volts here. You don't want to overpower this, because if you were to go, let's just say do 3, you're probably going to put 4, or it's going to be 4 volts per LED. You go 2, it's going to be obviously 6 volts per LED, and you'll basically build that LED. LEDs have certain voltages that once they pass it, they'll basically burn out. So that's one thing you want to do when you're checking these LEDs. But once again, thanks guys for watching. This is, if you're going to be, you know, hobbying like I do, this is a good option to have. This is a good tool to have. It's probably, I don't know, 20-30 bucks. I don't think it's that much, no more than 40 bucks. But I'll post a link on the description. And once again guys, thanks for watching. Till the next one. Laters.